All right, guys, so check it out. Last week, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, he sent out this tweet right here. I'm sure a lot of you probably heard about it already, but he says that he was considering taking Tesla private, $420 a share, and that the funding was secured, okay? So this sent a shockwave through the investing world. The stock was immediately halted, and it didn't come back onto the market until about 2 or 3 hours later. And then the stock was about $30 per share higher when it opened up trading again back on the market. So the response overall from Wall Street is that Elon Musk is such a smart guy that there's no way he doesn't have proof of funding. However, it is being considered stock manipulation if he doesn't. So things could be going from bad to worse at Tesla, because now he has his third security fraud lawsuit sent to Tesla. Obviously, there's probably a lot of people out there who are upset that this tweet came out about going private without any real proof or evidence to it yet. And so the stock price fluctuated. Not only did it get taken off of the market for a couple hours, but the stock price changed dramatically when it came back on. So a lot of people feel like this was stock market manipulation. I personally believe it was definitely stock market manipulation. So if Elon Musk and Tesla does not have proof that their funding was secured when he sent that tweet out, they could be in a lot of trouble. They could be in a whole lot of trouble over at Tesla. As far as from an investor standpoint, I don't really want to be long or short right now. I don't want any position in Tesla. All right, guys, I just want to talk about a couple of trades I made this week. So I sold out Friday. I sold out 50 shares of Lockheed Martin, $320 a share. So I got invested in Lockheed Martin a few years ago, and I have added to my position, and now I've sold off 50 shares. I'm still holding 50. I've sold half of my position, and I come out with about $16,000. So I bought into some stocks today. I made two buys today. So I just wanted to tell you about it. I bought into Broadcom at about $208 a share. And I also bought shares of Intel today at about $48.50, okay? But I definitely want a long position in Intel and Broadcom. And so, pretty much Intel under 50 is a buy, and Broadcom under $220 is a rock solid buy. All right, guys, so here's there's 5 companies I'm going to be watching this week for earnings. I'm just going to go over them real quickly. So tomorrow before open, Macy's has been red hot in the retail sector. They have run up like crazy this year, plus the 4% dividend. I'm going to be watching Macy's when they report in the morning. And then Cisco, I used to invest in Cisco. I've sold out, but I always try to keep an eye on that. But Thursday, to me, is the biggest day of all. So Thursday before the open is JD.com. I have some interest in that company, but I haven't invested in them yet. Then Walmart, okay, so I have several ETFs. I have 2 different ETFs and 1 mutual fund that gives me quite a bit of exposure to Walmart. So I'm definitely going to be tuning in and watching that report tomorrow morning. And then NVDA closes Thursday. I'm sorry, reports Thursday after the close is NVIDIA. So that's going to be huge. And for all the NVIDIA shareholders, it's going to be a very exciting day, and I'm hoping for big things. So thank you for watching, guys.